Hi George, just got your email and my IT guy has just created a web page for you and sent me a message to answer your question. You've got a problem with your Beko cooker KDCS663K and you say the oven door glass is broken. They're easy to replace, but not only are they easy, I have done some videos to actually specifically show you how to take the door off and also fit new glasses to cookers as well. But what I've done for you, or sorry, Beko has done for you, is he has actually created a web page for you and he's managed to obtain all the technical information on this cooker, not only for you, but also other people that may land on this page. He's actually got you the workshop manual, also the wiring diagrams, and also technical data sheet with regards diagnosing problems and everything else, and he's put a load of information on this page for you. Now you'll have to excuse my location. I'm charging the motorbike batteries on the camera because I'm about to go filming a very stunning road called the N611, I think it is, and this goes all the way up to where I've got my camper at the moment. The motorbike actually fits on the back of the camper and it allows me to explore. I'm heading down to Barcelona at the moment to a company called Gotak, and you might be interested in that video when it comes about in a couple of weeks' time, because that is all about how selector switches for cookers are manufactured. Anyway, there's plenty of videos on the web page to assist you with all the problems that you may ever have on this model of cooker. And you also have a video there which will specifically show you how to take the door off, because when replacing the glass you want to do it on a flat table and make sure you put a towel down so you don't scratch the table or the glass. Anyway, I hope all this information helps you. Good luck with your repair. If you do get stuck on anything, feel free to reach out to me. I do take 24 to 48 hours to get back to you while I'm traveling, but I will try and do my best if I see you've got a problem or anything else and I get an email. Anyway, I'm just quickly going to show you this location because I've stopped off to do the charging and it is absolutely stunning. Take a look at that. This is near Santander, it's a city on the north of Spain. And I'm about to go up that road that you can see in the distance, and that will take me back up to the top of the mountains where my camper is, and I use the motorbike to go out and about. Anyway, I hope all this information that he's managed to get you helps you. If you need any further help, feel free to contact us. Have a good day, mate. Bye-bye.